In the world of finance, one word has caused a storm like no other: Bitcoin. This digital or virtual currency has revolutionized our understanding of money. Born in 2009, Bitcoin was the brainchild of an enigmatic individual or perhaps a group, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. It's the first of its kind, a decentralized cryptocurrency operating without the central bank's constraints. Bitcoin's importance cannot be understated, as it has challenged traditional financial systems and introduced a new era of digital currency. One might wonder, how did this digital money revolution begin? The birth of Bitcoin is shrouded in mystery, beginning with its elusive creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. In the midst of a global financial crisis in 2008, a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published by an entity known as Nakamoto. This groundbreaking document laid the foundation for what would become the world's first decentralized digital currency. The historical context of Bitcoin's creation is crucial. The world was reeling from the financial meltdown of 2008, trust in traditional banking systems was at an all-time low, and the need for a new, more transparent form of finance was palpable. Bitcoin was the answer to that call. However, Nakamoto's identity remains a mystery. Despite countless attempts to unmask this person or perhaps a group of people, Nakamoto's identity is still unknown. This anonymity adds an extra layer of intrigue to the already fascinating world of Bitcoin, but the mystery of its creation is just the tip of the iceberg. The technology behind Bitcoin is a whole other story. At the heart of Bitcoin lies a powerful technology known as the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger, a book that records all transactions, but instead of being held by one person or organization, this book is spread across numerous computers worldwide. That's blockchain for you. Each page in this ledger is a block, and all blocks are chained together, hence the name blockchain. Now let's talk about mining. No, it's not about pickaxes and underground tunnels, it's about complex mathematical problems. Miners, who are computer-savvy individuals or groups, solve these problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, they are rewarded with new bitcoins. This is how new bitcoins are created and how the blockchain stays updated. But how do you own Bitcoin? You don't physically hold it, so where does it go? That's where digital wallets come in. These are software applications where bitcoins are stored. Think of it like an online bank account, but instead of storing dollars or euros, you're storing Bitcoin. But how safe is it? Enter cryptography. Bitcoin uses cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Each Bitcoin transaction is signed with a digital signature before it's sent to the blockchain. This ensures that only the owner of the Bitcoins can spend them, providing a high level of security. So, to put it all together, when you send or receive Bitcoin, the transaction is verified by miners, added to the blockchain, and then stored in your digital wallet, all secured by cryptography. It's a brilliant system, allowing people to send money across the globe without the need for banks or governments. It's decentralized, secure, and transparent. While the technology is fascinating, the real roller coaster ride is in Bitcoin's rise and fall over the years. If there's one thing that characterizes Bitcoin, it's volatility. Indeed, Bitcoin's journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. It all started off rather humble. The first recorded transaction of Bitcoin was when a developer named Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Back then, the value of Bitcoin was so minuscule that 10,000 Bitcoins were barely enough to get 2 large pizzas. Fast forward to today, those 2 pizzas would be worth a mind-boggling amount. The surge in Bitcoin's value is one part of the story. The other part is the intense volatility it has seen over the years. One day, you could be on top of the world, and the next, you could be staring at a significant loss. Bitcoin's price has been affected by various events like regulatory news, security breaches, macroeconomic setbacks, and technological advancements. This wild ride is not for the faint-hearted. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye, but it's also a world that has ushered in a new era of financial freedom and innovation. So when we talk about Bitcoin's wild ride, we're not just talking about the ups and downs in its price, we're talking about a revolutionary technology that has challenged traditional banking and finance systems. We're talking about a digital asset that has caught the world's attention. But beyond the financial charts and graphs, Bitcoin has had a profound impact on society. The Bitcoin wave didn't just stop at financial markets, it has made its way into every corner of society. This digital currency has proven to be more than just a new way to make purchases. It has become a beacon of hope for countries with unstable economies. Bitcoin offers a stable, decentralized alternative to traditional fiat currencies, which are often subject to hyperinflation and government mishandling. In addition to economic stability, Bitcoin has also influenced the global financial landscape. It has prompted discussions about the inherent flaws in our current financial systems and has encouraged a shift towards decentralized financial institutions. It has pushed for transparency and accountability, which are often lacking in traditional banking systems, but it's not all smooth sailing. Like any significant change, Bitcoin has faced resistance and criticism. Concerns about its volatility, security, and environmental impact are prevalent. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin continues to be a disruptor and a game changer. With such a profound impact, one can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? In the world of Bitcoin, the question on everyone's mind is, what's next? As we dive into the unknown, it's clear that the potential future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is a hot topic of debate. Some envision a world where Bitcoin is the dominant currency, freeing us from the constraints of traditional banking systems. Others foresee a more regulated environment where cryptocurrencies coexist with fiat currencies, offering a new way of transacting and storing value. Experts from the fields of finance and technology offer varied perspectives. Some predict that Bitcoin's decentralized nature and limited supply will continue to drive its value up, while others caution that regulatory challenges and market volatility could impact its growth. Yet, even amidst this uncertainty, there's a shared belief that Bitcoin and its blockchain technology will play a significant role in shaping the future of our financial systems. As we gaze into the crystal ball, one thing is clear: Bitcoin has forever changed the way we look at money.